Hey Great Crafters, it's Judy from GreatBlaze.com. I want to show you guys these 12-ounce globe tumblers. They are awesome. I'm going to show you guys how to put it together. You are going to love these. They sublimable, double wall with a pre-hole at the bottom. So of course, sublimate first. Do not try to fill this before you sublimate. So sublimate, I normally do it on 400 degrees at 6 minutes in the oven. I tape it really tight first. Okay, they get super hot, so wait till you get cool, of course. So the material you're gonna need is baby oil or glycerin. I did 1 part water, 1 part oil. I wish I would have did more oil because it just make it flow a little bit slower. So, you know, use your own discretion. Okay, also you will need glitter, a stopper. I have a few black like rubber bottoms that I use as a stopper on mine. I will send as many as I can out that I have available that's sitting around. So I have no problem with that. They come, each one gonna come with a pre-drill hole that you'll be able to insert everything you need in there. So what I do first is I add my glitter. So with this one, I added a lot of glitter. Wished I would have did less on that too. I'm gonna do another one. But I got some glitter, just fine. I would say use chunky to medium fine. I wouldn't use really thin, either really fine glitter, but that's just me. So pretty much that's what I did on that, shook it up. Now, after that, that's when I added the water and oil mixture, and I used the condiment bottle, like a ketchup bottle that I got from Walmart. I fill it all the way to the top until it like overfills a little bit, and then once I did that, I covered the hole just so I could shake it a little bit, just so I could see the glitter fall and everything, make sure I did it right. But I would use more oil. If I could do it all over again, I would do more oil. So I use a rubber bottom to seal it, but it's not sealed all the way yet, guys. So what you need to do, this is UV resin. I use UV resin because I didn't want to wait a real long time until it dry. So I put the UV wet resin on it. You can get it from Amazon. I will try to like attach a link to the one that I use, one similar to the one I use, and I also got a UV lamp so it could go ahead and dry. It's so crazy because I use these UV lamps, but I still let it sit like 24 hours still. But once you do this, it really be done like in a couple minutes. I say about 5 minutes, so I just let it sit on top for about 5 minutes or so, and it'll be done in a few minutes. So it'll be actually ready to, it'll be nice and sealed and ready for me to, you know, shake it up and down. But I let it still stay upside down for about 24 hours. But look how it falls. I love these things. I used to do them when they was with the plastic ones, the ones I had to pre-drill. So hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get a chance to do yours. If I have more rubber bottoms, I will send them with each and every one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We definitely appreciate and need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.